want to start a YouTube channel in 2025, but you don't have the right information, then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to start a YouTube channel and become successful in this journey. So without wasting much time, let's get to the process. Okay, so things that we will be talking about in this particular video includes how to pick the right niche for your YouTube channel. The second one will be the best setting for your YouTube channel in 2025. So it includes the customization of your channel and how to make it look beautiful. The third one will be the tools that you will need to be using to edit your video and your thumbnail to make the video attractive and to let it get more views. The next one is secrets to making your video goes viral. We will be looking at that one too. And the last thing that you will need to know is monetization strategies and how to start making money on YouTube. So those are the things that we will be talking about in this particular video. Without wasting much time, let's pick the first one, which is how to pick the right niche for your YouTube channel. So if you come to YouTube, you realize that people are creating different kind of content, but how do you know the one that will work for you? I always say that if you want to be a great content creator, do what you are passionate about. If you love cooking, create cooking vlogs. If you like singing, do singing vlogs. If you like teaching others like I am doing, then create educational content, because with that you are going to have the courage and mastery of the topic, and you will be able to do it without much stress. So you have to choose the best niche that you think you can be consistent on. So that's the first thing that you need to do before you even think about creating your YouTube channel. You have to know the kind of content that you are going to be creating on YouTube. So if you know that okay, I'm going to be creating food vlog, I'm going to be doing interview to people, I'm going to be teaching people on YouTube on how to do things, I'm going to be teaching people on how to make money, then you know what you are going to do, then you are now ready to start with your journey. The second thing that we will be looking at is the best settings for your YouTube channel. So at this particular stage, we are coming to create a YouTube channel. I'll take you through the process in creating a YouTube channel. So after that, you can sit in your own room and create it with your phone, data, and your Google account or Gmail account. So those are the things you need: your mobile phone or computer, Gmail account or Google account, and internet connection. So now let's get to the process. Now I'm having my Gmail account or my Google account already. So the only thing that you need to do is to come to youtube.com. Those of you using phone can equally use the app. So you go to youtube.com. Good. Yeah, I am at youtube.com. So when you enter, then you click on your logo, the logo of your Google account here. It is at the right corner top, even on your phone. So when you click here, you will see create a channel. Then you will click on create a channel. Now this is the name of the Gmail account. I don't know if you would like to maintain it like that, but if you don't want to maintain it, then you enter the name of the brand or business that you are going to start. Usually I will advise you to use the name of the brand, because using your own name may not be able to sell out. So let's say I want to create a channel title Avenue Media. Now that is Avenue Hub Media, and you can see that they have suggested a URL for me or a handle for me, and it is very perfect. So there is no need I will even think about changing it. But if you want to change it, you are at your own liberty to do it. Nothing will be affected, but make sure that the URL contains the name of the channel. Then after this, the next thing you will need to do is to click on create channel. After you click on create channel, you can see they say your channel is being created, check back in few minutes. So all you need to do is to refresh the dashboard. Then you can see the channel has been created. This is Avenue Hub Media. So that is how you will basically create your channel. So now we are done with creating our channel. The next thing we need to do is to customize it, make it look more professional so that people can actually come there and watch your videos. You can see they have customize. You can either click here or you click on the logo again, then you go to YouTube Studio, because that is where you are going to do most of the things that you must do. So now we are here. If you have profile picture for your Gmail account, it will be here automatic, but if you want to change it, then you click on customization. You will need to upload your logo or profile picture, and then you upload your banner to this one. They are okay. Then you write the description of your channel. So this particular channel that I have created, let's say I'm going to be using it to do product review, so I will just write this channel is going to be reviewing products and give you much information about your favorite products. I will just write the description here. If you want to add your social media links, you will just click here. Let's say I want to add Facebook. I'll write Facebook. Then I'll paste my URL here. You can also do that. So your contact info, you need to add your email address, the email address that you would like YouTube or people to contact you on. You put it here. Then if you want a watermark to be on all your videos, you put it here. So this is basically how to customize your channel from the beginning. So now, after you are done with the profile, you come to Home tab. If you upload some videos, which kind of video do you want people that visit your channel to have first look at? So when they come to the channel, then this will be the welcome video that they will see. You will just put them here. After that, you put your logo and you do everything. Then you are good to go about the creation of the channel. Now, when you are done with that, then your channel is ready and it is professional. Make sure that you put all the necessary requirements here. I don't want the video to be long, so that is why I'm not typing anything. So the next thing that you will need to do, all we are coming to talk about, is the things that, or the tools that we need to be using to edit our video or our YouTube thumbnail or video thumbnail. So you see, a lot of tools are on the internet. We have CapCut and the rest, but for me, I use Canva for almost all my designs, even the video editing. So this is Canva. When you come here, when you create a video, you come here, you can just search for, let's say, YouTube thumbnail. You have a lot of them. You just need to customize them. You have the YouTube thumbnail, even your YouTube banner and logo, you can design them here. So this is for food vlogs. You can edit any of them. You can edit any of them to your own perfection and you use for the video. So this is the tool that you need to use for your YouTube video thumbnail creation. So if you want to create a professional thumbnail for free, please use Canva. It is very easy and simple, and it is going to make it look more professional on your YouTube channel. Now, for your video editing, you can still use Canva because it has a lot of features that will help you, and it is very easy. Or you use CapCut. So a lot of people have been using CapCut. I use CapCut so for people for videos that I shoot with camera, but for this particular one, I am not showing my face. I'm only doing voiceover, so there is no need to use CapCut to do much of the editing. I will use Canva to join and do the necessary editing. So after doing this, then after getting all these tools ready, you know that you are going to use Canva for your thumbnail and for your video editing. Then the next thing to do, or the next thing we are coming to talk about, is the secrets to make your videos go viral. So when you come to your YouTube channel, for instance, let's assume that you are done with customizing your channel. So when you come to your channel like this, you want to upload video. This is upload. When you click on upload, there are some things that you need to do to make the video go viral. If you don't want to just create content and it should be on your channel without going viral, so you click when you select the file. So let's assume I'm selecting this particular, or I am trying to upload this particular video. Let's assume I'm uploading this particular video. This is intro. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you title the title of the video that you save contains the keywords that you are talking about in the video. So this is the video, and the description of the video. Please, it is very important that in the description you need to add a lot of information about the video, hashtags, to make it SEO friendly, so that when people come to YouTube and they search for that topic, they will bring them to your YouTube channel to actually take a look at your video. Now, let's say this is my video. So after you are done uploading the video, when you have playlists, you add it. But I will advise you create playlists in case you are going to be creating different kind of content on the channel. But if it is only one type, you can leave it like that. So for your video, please choose it is not meant for kids. Then after you upload the video, please, they said I should verify my email before I upload thumbnail. So when you generate or design your thumbnail in Canva, after uploading your video, you have the option here to upload it. Please upload it, because it is going to attract people to come to your channel and view your content. So now, is it paid promotion? If you are doing advert for someone in the video, you can also put it there. So allow chapter. See, these things you can allow them here. Then the tags, necessary tags in your video, please make sure that you put some tags there so that it will be SEO friendly for others to have access to. Then you choose the language of your video. If you want the video to have captions, you can indicate. So if you want your video to be embedded, you can also indicate that. Do you want your video? Look, all the things that you need to do are here, so just do them. Then you go to next. Let's assume you go to next. No, we'll click on next. These ones we will talk about them later. No copyright issue has been found. Then please, this is the most important one. When you get to this stage, don't select public. Don't select public if you want your video to go viral. Click on unlist. When you click on unlist, then you will schedule your video. When you click on unlist, then you will schedule the video. At least when we are uploading it by 12 a.m., let it be live by 3 a.m. so that YouTube will take time to analyze the video and find a place to put it in the algorithm and recommend or suggest it to people, because that's the only way that the video can go viral. So please don't just set as or publish it at the same time. Just make sure that you unlist it and schedule it before you publish. So with that, the video will go viral without you doing much work on it. So now, please, when you are watching up to this stage, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I have a lot of information I'm going to be sharing with you. This is my third channel. I want to use it for educational purposes. So make sure that you subscribe, you like the video, and you drop your comment, so that anytime I drop new video, you will also be notified to come back to the channel and have access to it. But when you are watching to this stage, I said please do well to subscribe to my channel. So now let's go to the next thing. Okay, now that we know how to upload our video and make it go viral, let's go to the last thing that we will be talking about in this video, which is the monetization strategies that you need to know. Look, when you come to YouTube, there are things that you need to know. Before you can monetize your channel on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 4,000 watch hours before you can monetize your channel. So if you have all these requirements, YouTube will send you an email, then you apply for the monetization process, then they will now monetize your channel and you start making money from YouTube. But there are other things that you can also do. You can equally run ads for people or partnership ads and be making money from them. You can promote affiliate links and also get people to come to your channel and go to those links and make some purchases. Then you also get commission from them. So basically, these are the things that we talk about today. We look at how to pick the right niche for your channel, the best strategy for your channel creation in 2025, the things that you need or the tools you need for your designing, and the secrets of making your video go viral. And the last thing, we talk about the monetization strategies that you must adopt to make sure that you are on top of your game. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, like and comment. If you don't understand something, drop your question. I will make sure that I reply to all the questions that will be dropped under this video. So